Hi, my name is Taylor Robertson. I'm a robotics software developer on the Cooper app. Today we're going to be optimizing weld points. I've created a program, and in my program I noticed that my weld angle was inconsistent throughout my weld. I will begin by showing you. As you can see, my weld angle starts out fairly aggressive and goes to a more vertical upright angle. I would like to make this angle consistent throughout the weld, so to fix this, I'm going to go back to our edit mode and select my weld start point. When I am here, I'm presented with several options. I'm going to click Edit Weld. This presents me with two additional options, one of which is called Optimize Weld Points. If I click this, it provides me instruction that the weld angle from my start point is going to be applied to my remaining points in my path. I'm going to click Apply, and it is going to update the positions in my path. Once this update has been added, I'm going to click Done and return to production mode. Now I'm going to rerun my program, and you should see the change in weld angle to be now consistent throughout the weld.